have 7 florists coming to fill that church with flowers. They will decorate various portions of the church in what I can only describe as a Rose Bowl quality flower festival. They've chosen a theme this year, which is gardens around the world. So use your imagination and envision just how lovely that can be. There will be flowers filling that church. The flower show will be going on all day. Come anytime, come visit, come see. It is something to behold for the gardener.
So we're pretty excited to be part of this project that Holy Trinity is putting on. What we're doing is building different places in the church. They've chosen 6 areas in the church to enhance with flowers. We're doing gardens from around the world, and so we've picked different countries to do some representation of different types of flowers that would grow in that area and different types of styles.
Well, it's quite a large festival. They have several artists that are coming. Some are well known, like Joel Sartori and Susan Pels. The floral part of it is Gardens of the World. And the area that I am doing, obviously, since I'm a master of Japanese ikebana, is the Japanese garden, which is going to be more of a memorial type arrangement since my space is in the columbarium. So in Japan, the very saddest flowers are colored white. So my arrangement will reflect that. It will have white flowers, all white flowers in it.
We have invited 20 visual artists to come, set up their booths, display and sell their art. We've invited 3 food trucks to provide sustenance, and we have Zipline Brewery who's going to provide a beer garden. Those elements will combine to invite you, the patron, to come and participate with the artists, have beverage and have food. But we're also going to fill the church. We have 9 performances scheduled throughout the day. That includes a flute duet. There's 2 dance troupes. We have 2 organ recitals. We have a Japanese drum troupe that's going to perform. There is a jazz trio, and on top of that, ending the day, a concert pianist. All of those performances can be seen as far as the schedule on our website, holytrinityartsfestival.com.